Hey viewers, these are the companies which we are applying for jobs and internships. After watching this video, you can apply for your dream job or internship at your dream company by following the same method that is shown in the video. Guys, please watch this total video without skipping. If you did not watch the full video or skipped this video, you get confused. If you get confused, you get rejected for your job because you did not follow my tips. So that please watch this video till the end without skipping the video. Hey viewers, thanks for clicking this video. Welcome to CTR channel. In this video, I will show how you can apply for jobs or internships at IT companies. So let's get started. Guys, I do not waste time. I show the direct method which you can apply for jobs and internships at any company. The method is, this is the method you should follow. Guys, just go to Google or any other search engine. Now type your company name, which you have to work for. Now give one space and add this text called careers. Now I will show the real example. I'm opening my Chrome browser. Okay, I want a job at Google, so that I'm searching for jobs in a Google company. To do that, follow this. I'm typing Google here, giving one space and adding career text. Now hit enter. Now open the first official link. Guys, here you can apply for internships or jobs. And guys, this is the official website of Google, which you can trust because it is an official website. Now I'm showing you how you will apply for internships. You can search for internships in the search, and these are the results. Guys, you can apply for an internship based on your passion and degree. Now I'm showing you how you can apply for a full stack developer job at Google. Search for full stack developer and also give location. I'm giving India as location. Here at the top, you can see the full stack developer post. Guys, before going to apply, make sure your skills match the minimum qualifications and preferred qualifications. A minimum of 50% of the skills must match. Now, guys, carefully read this total, minimum qualifications, preferred qualifications, about the job, and responsibilities. After reading these, now click on Apply Now. Now you have to fill out these details, and you also have to give your resume and cover letter. Guys, are you thinking about what a cover letter is? A cover letter is a one-page document that you submit as part of your job application. I think you know about resumes. In your resume, you have to mention your education and skills. You can make a resume and cover letter with ChatGPT, or there are many websites available to make these things. Now I'm showing Apple company jobs. I'm searching for Apple careers. Okay, this is the official website for Apple jobs. Those who want to work at Apple company can apply for jobs or internships on this website. Now I'm showing Microsoft company jobs. I'm searching for Microsoft careers. Okay, this is the official website for Microsoft jobs. Those who want to work at Microsoft can apply for jobs or internships on this website. Not only big tech companies, guys, you can search any company jobs by using their company name and careers. This is how you can apply for jobs and internships in IT companies. Okay, guys, these are some warnings. Imagine you applied for a job or internship at a company and got replies from other people, not from the company. This situation is happening for many people. Guys, companies contact you in many different ways, like when some of the companies mail you, some of the companies call you, and some of the companies contact you in a different way. Guys, every company contacts you in different ways because of its company rules. Every company has its own rules, so that you have to verify the company on your own, or you can take help from your seniors and parents. Imagine you applied for a job or internship at a company, but the company is asking for some fee or amount, or charge for the next step. Guys, in case this situation is happening to you, the company is not good, because we are working for the company. Why it's asking for money? So please avoid companies that are asking for money. Imagine you applied for a job or internship in a company, and the company is asking for details like your bank details, your Aadhaar card details and PAN details. Guys, do not give your bank or Aadhaar card and PAN details to any company. Guys, do not share any OTPs with companies. The companies will not ask for this type of personal information in online. If any company is asking for these types of personal details, please stay away from them. But you can share your education details, your email address, your phone number, and your previous work experience. Guys, I showed the official method to apply for jobs or internships in IT companies. But in any case, you got scammed or got stuck in anything, I'm not responsible for that, because I've shown you the official method. If you fall for middlemen or scammers, I'm not responsible for that. Why I'm saying this is because many people got scammed during job searching. So please be careful. Guys, job is important for us so that scammers take advantage of these topic. So please be careful. How companies are verifying you? Like that, you have to verify the companies as well. Guys, some of the companies also give you assignments to test you. You have to also be careful with assignments. This is my suggestion. Okay guys, imagine you got a reply from the company after applying for a job, and you also verified the company, and it is official. Now what next? Guys, in the reply message, they mention interview time and location. Now follow the interview time and location. Now start preparing for the job interview. And when you go for the interview, carry your education documents and experience documents. Guys, do not imagine that today we have to apply for jobs or internships, and tomorrow we get a reply from the company. The day after tomorrow, we have to go for the interview. Believe it or not, this whole process can take up to 8 months, approximately. So that please be with patience. I think you got the point. Thanks for watching full video. Finally, if my code runs on your machine, please like, share and subscribe to CTR channel because I will add more bugs on your code.